Hello, this is Jill, and hey, look what I just picked up at Goodwill. It's a nice little sharp LCD TV, kind of an older format. I'm going to hook it up to my Nintendo. I have a little Nintendo 64, an old VCR, so I figured it would work out pretty well for me. But there's just one little problem right off the bat. And the problem is right here in front. I kind of zoom in right here and you kind of see this little mark right here. It's, let's see, XXV. It's not even a price, but these are very common on Goodwill items. Sometimes they're like white like this. This looks like some kind of a wax-based pen. Sometimes you see a Sharpie mark on these things. Or other kinds of marks. Well, these things can be really difficult to remove and can actually ruin the item you just purchased if you're not careful. But I'll show you a quick trick how to remove a lot of these marks. So before I show you the way I typically do it, I do want to mention Goo Gone does work quite well. Here's a concentrated version, here's a less concentrated version. One thing I don't like about the Goo Gone, it kind of leaves a residue a lot of times that you have to wash off later. Also, you know, just a simple eraser sometimes works. You kind of rub it for a while and it disappears. Sometimes you can get an ink-based erasers that are designed for ink itself, and those can be effective as well. But sometimes these don't really work that well. And the ink-based ones sometimes have an abrasive in them that could scratch your item. Okay, so my go-to product is just simple isopropyl alcohol. This is 91%. You could also get just a 99% isopropyl alcohol. Just get some paper towels, and we'll do this in a second, and just kind of rub it out. Now, this can also sometimes work on like cardboards, especially the reflective cardboards. Let's say packaging. It evaporates so quickly, sometimes you can rub them out on cardboard and it won't cause any warping or degradation of the cardboard paper itself. Now, more pervious cardboards, this may or may not work for you. But for a product just like the sharp kind of a plastic case, it should work just fine. So what I do is just take a little bit of this isopropyl alcohol and apply it on a paper towel. Just like that. Let it soak in. And then with the price tag here, you can just see it kind of rubs off pretty easy. And it's virtually, after a couple of rubs, it is gone. Now, if it doesn't go away right away, sometimes I like to apply some isopropyl alcohol to just some Mr. Clean Magic erasers. They're just kind of a spongy product. And you can apply some isopropyl alcohol to that, and it gives it a little bit more abrasive work. Now if like a mark was on this monitor here, rubbing this could actually cause some scratching, and you can get a discoloration of the monitor. Also, let's say if you got, let's say an action figure toy that you got off eBay or something like that, and there was a price on it, and you're trying to rub it off of the plastic, you could perhaps create a little kind of a shadow effect. So be careful with the magic erasers, but quite often just simply the isopropyl alcohol with paper towel works just fine. So I hope this video helped you out, and good luck on your thrift purchases, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.